I pull out this goddamn microphone and work on this shit a little bit. Yeah.
Pull up like I know that they shit didn't get me right. Smoke another bowl like I ain't been getting high. These niggas try to troll, they ain't never took my mind. Pushing up on 30 and I'm still one of a kind. Can't be stressed about that shit gon' blow my high. I don't promote it, my nigga, I drop like a bird at the sky that I fell at the flower. Landed in shit that you couldn't perceive. Wise tales you wouldn't believe, cause you don't get it how I get it, my nigga. You busy with all of that pussy and greed. The ego be big, but this should be bigger. I'm not the type for numbers and fame, validated by myself in the rain. I'm going through pain like it ain't enough, and niggas gon' laugh at the back of the bus till the burner get hot and all that shit gon' bust. Addicted to mules that like it's a drug and levitate over these niggas with ease. Evolution got me feeling the buzz, and niggas can't even tap into it beat. The life that I'm living, the side effect is like a physical prison and mentally full of a psychotic vision. And shit don't get sketchy for real, my nigga. My channel be dead, I'm breathing in life, I'm living reality deeper than most, and that's why I blood the cloud that goes. Pull up like I know that they shit didn't get me right. Smoke another bowl like I ain't been getting high. These niggas try to troll, they ain't never took my mind. Pushing up on 30 and I'm still one of a kind. Can't be stressed about that shit gon' blow my high.